Lesson 7. Nouns, number. Some nouns are countable. Countable nouns can be singular or plural. For example, boy, boys, ball, balls. Some nouns are uncountable. Uncountable nouns cannot be plural. For example, milk, water, petrol, air, etc. We change singular countable nouns to their plural form in many ways. Let us learn them. We make most of the nouns plural by adding s. Car, cars. Train, trains. Lion, lions. Bee, bees. Shop, shops. Tree, trees. Eye, eyes. Hand, hands. Window, windows. Rose, roses. Nouns ending in s, double s, ch, x, sh take es to make plural. Bus, buses. Gas, gases. Glass, glasses. Loss, losses. Fox, foxes. Box, boxes. Bush, bushes. Brush, brushes. Watch, watches. Bunch, bunches. Nouns ending in f or fe change their endings to ves. Thief, thieves. Calf, calves. Loaf, loaves. Shelf, shelves. Wolf, wolves. Life, lives. Knife, knives. Wife, wives. Some nouns ending in f or fe take s. Roof, roofs. Dwarf, dwarfs. Chief, chiefs. Hoof, hoofs. Gulf, gulfs. Proof, proofs. Grief, griefs. Safe, safes. Nouns ending in a consonant and y drop y and take ies. Lady, ladies. City, cities. Body, bodies. Story, stories. Country, countries. Army, armies. Duty, duties. Fairy, fairies. Nouns ending in a vowel and y take s. Monkey, monkeys. Day, days. Ray, rays. Tray, trays. Way, ways. Key, keys. Boy, boys. Joy, joys. Toy, toys. Bay, bays. Nouns ending in o and having a consonant before them take es. Mango, mangoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Hero, heroes. Echo, echoes. Cargo, cargoes. Some nouns form their plurals by changing of the inside vowel. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Man, men. Woman, women. Some nouns form their plurals in n or ren. Singular, child, children, ox, oxen. Compound nouns generally form their plurals by adding s to the principal words. Father-in-law, fathers-in-law. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Passer-by, passers-by. Stepson, stepsons. Stepmother, stepmothers. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Maid-servant, maid-servants. Daughter-in-law, daughters-in-law. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Some nouns are such that they seem to be plural, but they are used in the singular form. We can also make their plural. 100, hundreds. 1,000, thousands. Score, scores. Pair, pairs. Yoke, yokes. Some nouns are used only in the singular form. For example, postage, physics. News, advice. Information, mathematics. Politics, hair. Some nouns are used only in plural form. For example, spectacles, pliers, shoes, trousers, scissors, billiards.